How to take diatomaceous earth. Whether you're considering taking diatomaceous earth to detoxify and strengthen your digestive system, promote stronger teeth, bones, and joints, or reduce bloating, wind and gas, among its many other benefits, you have to make sure that you're taking it the right way to make the most of what it has to offer. Right after you wake up, mix 1 teaspoon of Digestive Super Cleanse with a tall glass of water and have it separately from foods or other products, as it is most effective on an empty stomach. Drink approximately 1 other glass of water after every dose to improve its effectiveness and to stay hydrated. We also recommend increasing your water intake while taking it, for enhanced effects. Increase your dosage slowly after the first few weeks, working your way up to 2 teaspoons per day, 1 in the morning and 1 at night. Cycle off its use for 10 days after every month of use for effective, safe, and continuous detoxification. Does Digestive Super Cleanse have to be taken in the morning? Not at all. As well as the morning, you can also take the cleanse at another time of day, as long as it is at least 1 hour before or 2 hours after a meal. What's the best diatomaceous earth to take? Make sure you only take high-quality food-grade diatomaceous earth, since industrial diatomaceous earth is toxic. If you're looking for the highest quality diatomaceous earth on the market, check out the Digestive Super Cleanse. Its formula is specifically developed to contain significant trace minerals and is the highest possible quality food-grade pure diatomaceous earth out there. Would you like to incorporate diatomaceous earth into your routine? Discover all it can do for you on our blog. If you would like to receive more tips to improve your gut health, don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel.